This is the stackable wheel system. It also have the slot for motor, servo, and holes to stack it to unlimited numbers of stack. You can stack it with spacer. The red one is actually the old version of spacer. The new one is rounded. And then you just stack it like this with or without spacer. Add a rubber band for the tire, or you can 3D print it using flexible filament, and add as wheels like this. Or like this. And then we have the chain system if you would like to use it. So it's modular also. Every single chains you can make as a bracelet, or if you want to have the conveyor system, add more blocks, add the rubber on the tip and make it a headband, so it actually run on its own gear because of its shape. The white ones is the latest version because you can add pin on top, but the old version I like it because it's thin. Sometimes I use it if you want just to transfer power between gears. This is actually the gears, so you can make it like this. See, and of course gears, there's few size. Actually all the wheels comes with a different or variety of size. You can connect every gears to the block system or to another wheels. You can use pins or doll as the shaft and create any gear ratio. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and support Blocky Code as the open source learning tools. Thank you.